Hello.
Most of the people.
Hello. Hello.
Okay.
Okay. I don't really know what this is all about. I just randomly just made a video. I don't know why. Oh, it's a lot of bombs. Let's just get it from
Anyway, sabi ko sa kanya,
soil.
sabi ko sa'yo,
I really don't
mas
really know how to spell soldier. Sometimes I spell it wrongly.
Parang wala man ang how are
Hello, I
you,
have a CPO.
sinend ko agad yung mahabang message. Parang matapit ko na. Pero sabi ko, how are you naman sa inyo?
I accidentally said CPR.
I am careful.
Like, like reviving.
Sabi ko, I know.
Pero, oh yeah,
I feel I somehow feel guilty. Kasi
sort of,
kako.
but
Ay, wait lang,
I
wait
should,
lang.
okay.
Hello po. Ay, ano po, dyan po sa kantin. Bayad na po ba? Apo.
Ano? I burned bro's skin, and bro still's not dead. Okay, here you go. You're coming with me. That's your man. Or burning your forehead. I don't know why, because when I do this, they don't do that. There.
Kaya nga, alam ko naman lahat na yung order. Order sa video. Okay, ate. Pinalba pa nga.
And I'm just gonna do it like a,
Pagka nag-chat sa'yo,
you know,
kaya naman siya nag-ano kayo mo rin. Baka naman yung
like a thing that Flippy did. Sort of.
Kaya nga.
And just what's this inside of it? I forgot whose character is that.
Gusto ko makita.
I forgot the character's name. Yeah, but yeah. First he cuts his neck, and then he just like put a bomb inside of
I
it,
am careful with
and he goes skydiving.
Kasi ayoko ma-feel niya nga na parang mangingi pa tayo, nangingialam tayo sa gusto niya. Kasi parang ilang taon na yun versus us, di ba? Parang isip nun, ang laki ng tinanda ko sa inyo. Nung pinagkatutunan na ako,
I got a present for you.
siya.
Ooh, I want.
Sinabi ko lang na we know kasi yung outside mo. Parang I know you know well. I know you know better pala. Pero we know parang the outside part of this. Parang gano'n. Parang the bigger picture. Parang gano'n.
Hold up, I have to think.
Ayun, parang pinapamukha ko sa kanya na.
I need a
Sabi ko,
snowman.
No. Sabi ko,
What did I say? Like that. I didn't plan that really.
reaching out to you just because of this. Sabi ko, I'm more,
I really didn't plan this.
it's not about getting to
So I have to make a mom
it
that.
doesn't matter if you want her to go there or not.
Mom,
It doesn't matter. That's not the point.
I'm gonna destroy your snowman.
Pero syempre, it's not.
Like that.
Pero ang point, kunwari lang yun.
I warned bro. Bro regrets it. I've never seen a medal like that.
Kaya sabi ko sa
Hold
sa
up, that's
kanya,
my normal
sabi ko,
style.
binalikan ko
I'm
10 years
listening
ago,
to support.
sabi ko, you know, I've always presented you or parang introduced you to girls na with standards. Hindi. Like, I know if you want to have
I never used it
kung gusto mo
any or
relationship with them,
that's why I don't really know what will
that's your,
happen.
um,
Like,
ikaw na yun, parang choice.
hello, I
mo
have a
yun.
few canister and
That's your choice,
oh,
sabi ko. Pero sabi ko, we just want you to be careful kasi as I've told you, we've known you for like 10 years now. Diba? Parang we treated you as someone
hello.
na, ano ba sabi
I can
ko?
go
Parang
back
not really
up.
attractive.
For some reason, I
Parang
can.
hindi
I
lang
keep on
parang,
going
diba,
down.
as someone who
How is the
cares about
Okay, I'll just use my normal. So. Hello, my name is Zoe. I'm gonna be.
yeah, oo nga. Sabi ko, Besh, sabi kasi niya, I am still in touch with yet she has a family and sometimes doesn't have time for PR and I understand.
Wait.
Sabi niya,
Where's she
yun,
at?
yun yung sagot niya.
Okay, where's
Sabi
the
ko,
somehow?
I know, and that's okay. It's not really just about being going there. I just want you to
Okay.
be with someone who's real and sincere with you. You know, we've always
It's
been honest with
raining.
you, even about
Okay.
difficult things. We
Cool.
tell you. Because we care
Ano?
and don't want you to get blindsided. Diba? Isipin mo, hinamin natin sa ngayon ng mga pamilya tayo. Hindi tayo yung parang, hala, single ako. Oo, para na makapag-PR. Hindi tayo yung parang, pwede ako today kahit hindi naman pwede kasi may pumunta. I mean, we've always been parang sabi ko sa kanya, ako ba na chat ko? We've always been straight forward with you. It's parang, it's because it's not just always about the money. We know that being truthful, parang will
Okay, I'm just gonna
benefit
set for the
tayo
birthday boy.
ng ikaw, hindi lang kami, ganyan.
So,
Tapos yun, parang pinapawaka ko sa kanya, Besh.
Oh, yeah.
Choice ngayon.
table.
Pero at least we somehow told
Wait.
him na ganito yung nangyayari is outside ni Marie.
What?
Tapos,
Oh,
choice
wait.
na ikaw na yan kung tutuloy mo pa din.
cake.
And hindi naman siya about, eto lang yung key points. Charot. Hindi lang siya about kay Bian na pumupunta dyan. Hindi yun yung
Happy
issue.
birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Okay.
Ang sarap na lang.
Happy birthday, happy
Hindi pa
birthday.
siya nag-regret. Ang huli lang
Happy
niya
birthday. Oh,
I am still in love with them. Pero ang pinag ko sa kanya is, wala pa ako never,
it was a
alam mo,
fairy.
gusto ko malaman niya na, kasi baka i-blame na tayo kay Shay. Baka sabihin niya, bakit kayo naman kakilala niya? Diba, parang, kaya nga sabi ko, you didn't know the outside part. You didn't even realize na mangyayari na aabot sa ganyan. Kasi nga, hindi naman honest sila diba? So, paano siya magiging,
Hello, my name is
paano siya magiging honest sa
birthday cake, man. My name is Cake. Ouch. I want to get it.
Which alam mo kasi, sa totoo lang, ang nasa ulo. Kasi, besh, di ba, napaka-logical ang mga lalaki.
I'm a breakable
Six. Ganito lang sila mag-isip. Isang ganon. Wala tayo na maraming ganon. Sila nakaganon lang. Na-realize ko.
Ayun. Ouch.
Bukod sa ayaw nila ng maraming chika. Gusto nila. Diba? Actually, hindi lang naman sila. Mostly yung mga lalaki ganun. Parang ano siya, Huwag mo maraming
Oh,
ganun.
this is
Basta
breakable.
isang sabi lang, ganun. Parang ang point niya is, ano man mangyari sa akin, that's on me. Tsaka, sa isip ng Besh, kung ginagamit naman ako ni Mari, mas nagagamit ko siya. Diba? Ngayon, sa isip din niya, third point is, may pera naman ako. Hindi ako nawawalan. Pinakasino ko nga lang eh. Whatever I give her, even if, maybe ang point ni Fahad na I'm careful with the relationship, baka napupunta si Pakla. Baka yun ang point niya. So, dun pa lang, parang, okay, medyo nag-lilo na ako ng lilo pero akaba ko din. Pero at least, yun, nasabi ko na lahat ng gusto kong sabihin. Tapos, bahala na siyang mag-relate siya. Baka gusto ka niyang kausapin, Besh, kasi nga, sabi ko nga, di ba, sabi ko sa kanya, we care about you. Touch din siguro siya na, hindi lang pera.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye.